Hello everyone, Kayla here, and today I'm going to be talking about this twist out. I used the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Curl Cream to do it. So first let's get into the start of this when I first put it on my hair 2 weeks ago. Alright, so at this point, my twists are 1 week old, and what I can say for sure that's different from other times is that the actual physical twists themselves are not really frizzy on their own. Typically at this point, my twist would be really frizzy, which does not matter to me because I usually take them down and have a twist out, and the twist out doesn't look frizzy. This is what I do to my edges every morning. I don't do my edges. But the roots are a little puffy because I sweat in them, and you know it's hot outside as well, so working out, just being in a hot environment and all that made the roots rather puffy, which is fine because like I said, I'm going into a twist out. So far I'm really impressed with the way that the twists are still nice looking despite all the activity that has happened over 7 weeks. So today is day 6 for my hair. I had to do the wide angle so it's a lot of the room showing and like I'm this little person in it, but I did that because of my outfit, my brunch outfit today. My errand and brunch outfit made me look like I didn't have any clothes on. So I had to. But anyway, so let me give you guys the 360 of day 6 hair. Mind you, if you're new to my channel, I do not retwist my hair and I do not reapply product to it. I just sleep on it and fluff it out in the morning. Alright, so there are 2 things that I really want to talk about with this product. Matter of fact, 3 things. So the first thing is there are certain parts of my hair that no matter what I use, they're going to frizz out, right? That's right here, this little section here, I did a twist and pinned it back into my hair. And then right here, this little section right here in the front, first it'll be the part here, which is one twist. And I put that away on day 4, and then the rest of this poofed out, and so I twisted those. So I have a total of 4 twists here, and I just pinned them back into my hair, and I'm using them like a headband. Untwisting them and putting them back into my hair, they would look defined for maybe an hour, and then that's it. They're not going to stay defined. So I don't, not unless I probably apply more product and water or something like that, which I typically just don't do. I just usually let my hair age and be what it would gonna be, you know. I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow anyway. So second thing I want to bring out is that when I released the twist and then for like a few days when I would style my hair in the morning, I noticed like little specks in my hair, like little specks. I wouldn't say flakes because they weren't like how we are used to flakes looking. They were like round, almost like fine grains of sand. And I think that might be because the hair was twisted, so the product was locked in there. And when I untwisted the hair, I removed that product, like I broke it free. And so it started flaking. I thought I was going to have some to show you today, but I don't. There's none in there. So I think my hair is pretty much done with the whole flakage situation. I am looking really, really, really light today. I know I have lots of lights on, but I need to back away because I'm trying to. I mean, I'm light skinned, but anyway. And the third thing I want to mention about this product is that my hair is soft, girl. Typically by this point, my hair is noticeably losing moisture because I apply the product 2 weeks before the end of the washing, the twist out, and I don't reapply. So my hair is actually still like crazy really, really nice, soft. Like, I mean, I could wear this and turn it into another hairstyle bun or something to keep going, even though I don't like to deal with too much shed hair, so I try to wash my hair frequently to avoid having to detangle double the amount of shed hair or triple the amount of shed hair that I'm used to getting, because the more days you go, the more shed hair that you're going to get. So the reason why I try the Maui Moisture Cream is that I typically twist my hair with, in the past it's been rinse out conditioners that I left in, then I switched to leave-in conditioner, but as you saw, I was really impressed that my twists were not frizzy earlier, and this keeps the twist from being frizzy. And I feel like this is why my hair is more moisturized, because it's a heavier product. So I just wanted to get into curl creams, and the curl creams that I used to use contained ingredients that were animal ingredients, so they weren't vegan, even though they were, even though I know for a fact that Shea Moisture is cruelty free. I don't know about Cantu. Maui Moisture is not only cruelty free, but they actually advertise their products as vegan on the side. They don't have the proteins that the Shea Moisture cream has. They don't have that in here, so this product is vegan. And then also another reason that I like this is because the Shea Moisture products have like coconut, not coconut, but shea butter, like on the in the top 5 ingredients. I think, matter of fact, shea butter is often like the second and third ingredient in most of their products, and it makes my hair feel waxy, especially when I try to rinse the product out or whatever. I don't like that waxy coating on my hair. The Maui Moisture products do contain coconut oil. Well, this one does. Coconut oil is ingredient like number 4 or something, so it's towards the bottom of the most important. And then shea butter is way down up in there. Like, it's not even at the top at all. You have to really be looking in this ingredients list to find the shea butter. And so I think that that's what makes this product a little less waxy than Shea Moisture. And then this cream is definitely lighter in texture than the other creams that I used to use. It's definitely more of like a, almost like a leave-in kind of. Let the lighting adjust, maybe cover my face. You can see that? Yeah, so I'd say not even half of this is gone. Maybe just the top third, and I've used this like twice. I used it for that gel experiment. If you haven't checked that out, go check it out. And then I used it for this twist out. And I only twist my hair once a season, so this jar is going to last me pretty long, so I really don't care how much it costs. I don't think Maui Moisture costs much. I'm going to put the price somewhere in this big background that I have showing so you can see how much a jar of this would run you. I'm going to put all the information in the description box. What do you guys think of this twist out? What you think? Okay? So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share it with your friends if they're asking about Maui Moisture. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.